Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Stockholm is the capital of Sweden and the largest city in the country. Known for its stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant cultural scene, Stockholm is situated on the eastern coast of Sweden. The city spans across 14 islands, connected by over 50 bridges, making it one of the most picturesque capitals in the world. It's often called the Venice of the North. Stockholm is located where Lake Mälaren meets the Baltic Sea, providing access to a vast archipelago of around 30,000 islands. The city experiences a temperate climate with mild summers, average 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, and cold winters, average -1 to -5 degrees Celsius. Snow is common in winter, but summers are characterized by long daylight hours, including the famous midnight sun. Stockholm dates back to 1252, founded by Birger Jarl to protect Sweden from maritime invasions. By the 17th century, it became the political, cultural, and economic center of Sweden. Its well-preserved architecture reflects its medieval origins, blended with modern urban planning. Key attractions: Gamla Stan, Old Town, a medieval neighborhood filled with narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and landmarks like the Royal Palace and Storkyrkan Cathedral. Vasa Museum, home to the almost fully intact 17th century warship, Vasa, which sank on its maiden voyage. Skansen, the world's first open-air museum, showcasing Swedish traditions, historic buildings, and Nordic wildlife. ABBA Museum, a must-visit for fans of the legendary Swedish pop group ABBA. Stockholm Archipelago, perfect for island hopping, boating, and enjoying pristine natural landscapes. Culture and lifestyle, design, Stockholm is a hub for Scandinavian design, blending minimalism with functionality. Cultural scene, the city is home to numerous theaters, galleries, and festivals, including the prestigious Nobel Prize ceremonies held annually in December. Cuisine, traditional dishes like meatballs, herring, and smorgasbord buffet are popular, alongside modern, eco-conscious eateries. Language, the official language is Swedish, but English is widely spoken. Sustainability, Stockholm is one of the greenest cities globally, with excellent public transport and abundant parks and green spaces. Stockholm is a technology and innovation hub, often called the Unicorn Factory for producing numerous successful startups like Spotify and Klarna. It also has a strong financial sector and is home to many multinational corporations. Stockholm boasts an efficient system of buses, trains, trams, and ferries. The Stockholm Metro, Tunnelbana, is famous for its art-covered stations. Cycling with dedicated bike lanes, cycling is a popular way to explore the city. Whether you're drawn to its historic charm, scenic waterways, or cutting-edge culture, Stockholm offers something for everyone. Stockholm's location appears in Norse sagas as Agnefit, and in Heimskringla in connection with the legendary King Ane. Birka, located near Stockholm, was one of Sweden's major trade centers during the Viking Age, and its restored remains are one of Stockholm County's most visited sites. The earliest written mention of the name Stockholm dates from 1252, by which time the mines in Bergslagen made it an important site in the iron trade. The first part of the name, Stock, means log in Swedish, although it may also be connected to an old German word, Stock, meaning fortification. The second part of the name, Holm, means islet and is thought to refer to the islet Helgeandsholmen in central Stockholm. According to Erik's Chronicle, the city is said to have been founded by Birger Jarl to protect Sweden from sea invasions made by Karelians after the pillage of Sigtuna on Lake Mälaren in the summer of 1187. Stockholm's core, the present old town, Gamla Stan, was built on the central island next to Helgeandsholmen from the mid-13th century onward. The city originally rose to prominence as a result of the Baltic trade of the Hanseatic League. Stockholm developed strong economic and cultural linkages with Lubeck, Hamburg, Gdansk, Danzig, Visby, Tallinn, Reval, and Riga during this time. Stockholm is most beautiful city in Europe. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.